Hey guys!
Tutto. We're here!
Hey guys! And today we are in another episode of unboxing. Except the box is different this time because it's Minion. So let's get to opening. This time we have 3 instead of 1. So first, since the box is Minion, we're gonna open the Min Otto's Dragon Rider. Yes, opened. So it's a dragon. And opens the mouth and closes it. And here are the stickers. Let the stickers go. Here you go. And here are the stickers.
Like and subscribe my videos.
So first, this one, I'm guessing this one goes first. Eesh. It's hard to get these stuff out. So where do you? Okay, right here is a dragon scale. It's like a dragon scale. Okay, let's continue putting our spikes. Looks like spikes. Well, it's probably scales. Like cool red fire scales. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now I'm getting better with putting in the stickers. It's hard to put in the stickers, you know. 1, 2, 3. And then put. And then where's the next one? Okay. 2 here. So 1. Wait. Small. I mean medium size. Let's do medium size. And then another medium size. Are we gonna? I don't think we're supposed to do it on the other side because there's stuff on the other side. And it just goes. And this we don't need. Do we need this? We can. Because maybe if these stuff go off, we have extra. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there's only 4, so we're still gonna. So if all of these fall off, one's gonna be missing. Anyways, look, it opens its mouth when it's going. It has a video. is gonna eat you. Wow, wow. Anyways, let's get Shrek or the lion. Let's do the lion. Ow. That was easy to open. Easier. Now this is kind of like a handle you put here. Anyways. Ooh, look at that toy I got. So, it's a lion. He's doing a dance. Do. Do, 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 do. That's the dance. Do, 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 do. Anyways, look at these. There's a giraffe, hippo. Right, there's a giraffe and a hippo right here. And then, I don't know what these stuff are for. Ooh, look, you can like put them up as objects. I don't know what's that for. Maybe it's gonna like chop them up. Hua, hua. And look at the dragon is gonna eat you. Anyways, time for Shrek. And this one's harder to open than Alex. Maybe we gotta open it another way. Oh yeah, I was correct. You do need to open it the other way. So this is the Shrek toy. Let's see. Wow. He's going. Wow. Ah! Wow. Ah! He's the spookster here. And I think that's all we have. That's all we have. So this is a Toast Dragonizer. This Shrekster. Well, let's put him right here. And his handle here. Oop, they fell. That is hard to make it stand. Except for this one. And then this one. Whoop, there. And this. So these are all the toys. This fell. They're gonna need to stay with me. Anyways, I'll show you my old collection right after I put this inside. It's hard. Why is it so hard? Finally. This should be easier than Shrek. That's it. Anyway, I'll show you my other collections that I have. I don't have any more minions though. This is my first ever minion. And it's a dragon. Anyways, so this is the tiger one I got. It's kind of like kung fu. And like I said, it's like a ninja. So that's what I have in this one. And now let's say hello to my other ones. Anyways, this is what's his name again? Oh yeah, Toothless. This one I think is my favorite. It's my favorite, this one. But it actually was my second one. This one was my first. This one is my second. And then, ooh, it fell. I guess this one's hard to balance. Yeah, it's hard to balance. So, join in with the other people. Ta-da. They're all having a party right there. Yeah, how come this one is always falling apart? Eat. No worries, if this goes like this, you can just put it back together. together. And no worries. And this one is kind of like this one. I think they're in the same show. Yeah. How come this won't stand anymore? There! I got those two to stand. They're gonna battle. And those are all I have, which is that. Anyways, bye bye. Bye bye.